Now we are talking about the natural numbers. What's the natural numbers say? You don't know the natural numbers? Natural. 1, 2, 3. These are natural numbers. Okay? You know fractions? What's the fraction? Let's say you wanna measure your food. Measuring stick. This is a measuring stick. 1, 7, 8. Okay? And
8이 아니라 7인 것 같은데.
7, 8. And
왜 아닌 것 같은데?
really? It doesn't matter. Okay? Anyway, you sit your food on the measuring stick like this. Now, how long is your feet? How long?
몰라, 사람은 사이인데.
Yes, between 4 and 5. How should you say? 5 feet is 4 or what? So we should accept the idea that there are numbers between 4 and 5. We should accept that idea that there are numbers between them. We call that number fractions. Okay? Like what?
Like
1/2. Or 1/3. Now 세정, there's a bigger one. It's a number line, okay? Number line. There's 0, 1. Now the number 1/2. Where should we put this number? On this measure, in this number line. Use this pen. Do you think you should put this 1/2 here? Why do you think so?
그냥.
Now then, I'm gonna give you a quiz. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? 0 or 1/2? 1/2? You think this is bigger? Okay then. Which one is bigger? That's correct. 1 is bigger than another quiz. There are 3 numbers, 1, 1/2, and 2. Which number do you think is the biggest one? Right then. This one between them. Which one is bigger or less? You already answered. It will be the same, right? You said 1 is bigger than 1/2, right? So that's right. Then now 세정 1/2. You should put the number 1/2 on this number line. Where should you put? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where should you put it? That's correct. So this is the mark for what? 1/2. Now, 세정, another quiz. There is the fraction 2/2. Now you want to put this special number 2/2 on the line, number line. You should put.
그럼 이런 거는 할 수 있나?
Yes, you can put anywhere on the number line. Okay then. Let's say there's 세정. Let's say there 3/3. Where should you put this number? On the number line. Put a mark. You think like that. But then let's check
아빠
your line along.
뭐?
Wrong. 1/1. What does this mean? There's a pizza.
네모난 피자. 네모난 피자.
1/1 means 세정? There's one pizza and you're gonna take one. Right? Right? And let's say there's 2/2. This means there are one pizza, but you
아,
slice it into two, right? And you take two. One, two. That means,
그러니까 네가 평균을 바꿨다고.
really? Okay then. Check it again then. You should put 2 over 2 or 3 and 3 over 3.
오케이.
2 over 2 goes here. Then 3 over 3. Where should it go? 3 over 3.
그러니까 얘는 실을 여기다.
What? Really? Let's think about it again then. 3 over 3 means there are one pizza and you slice it 3 pieces into 3 pieces like this. And you take 3. 1, 2, 3. That means you take one whole pizza, right?
없이 다 먹을래.
Then what does this mean? 4 over 4. This means 세정? You slice it a pizza into 4 pieces like this. And how many take? 4 pieces, right? That means you will get the whole pizza, right? That means it's all the same. 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, all the same. They are all equal. So we can say like this. Same. You got it? So 4 over 4 means just 1. You slice the pizza into 4 pieces, but you gotta take 4 pieces. That means you gotta take 1 pizza.
한 개를 네 개를 아니면 그거다. 합치면 한 개는.
That's right. I'm gonna show you some examples about that. We can put 1 half here, right? And we can put 2 over 2 where? Here, right? Now, we wanna put 1 over 3, 1/3. Where should this number go? On this number line.
근데 1 over 1이야?
1 over 1 is 1, yes. Of course, there's 1 pizza and take 1 pizza. So you're gonna take 1 whole pizza, right? Now, you should put this number on this number line. Where should this number go?
이게 뭐 말인데?
1 over 3.
그럼 원을 세 개로 나눈다는 거야, 뭐?
That's right. That means we can slice this number into 3 parts like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? This mark means 1 over.
I don't know.
You don't know?
네,
Exactly 2 over 3. Right? Why? There are 3 pieces. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, but we take 2. That. So here is 세정. There are 3 pieces. We take 3, all of them. So 3 over 3. Look at that. The 1 equals 3 over 3. Look at that. 세정. The 1. This mark means 1, but also means 3 over 3. Right? Also means 2 over 2. 1/4. Where should this number go? Can you solve this? You don't know? Really? I think you can solve this problem. I thought. Now I'm gonna draw a line again. To put this number, we're gonna slice it into 4 parts, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, like a pizza. I sliced the line like pizza. 1, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 marks. Where this number go? We divide this line into 4. 1, 2, 4 parts. Here is 1/4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4. Then
그럼 이거 지금 그럼 이 네 개 가지고 척하는 건데.
yes, that's right. It's getting bigger. The number is getting bigger, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What number? Can you write? This means what does this mean? There are 5 pieces and you take 1. There are 5 pieces. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, just 4 pieces, right? It's 1 because there are 4 pieces, but it takes just 1, right? Look at this. It takes just 1. 1, so it's 1/4. Now it takes 2. 1, 2. Then this mark means you can solve it. Don't give up. There are 4 pieces, so you should number 4 here. 4 pieces. And you take how many? That's great. Now here, then. That's correct. Then here.
아니 나 다녀왔어.
Perfect, 세정. Perfect. High five.
아빠 나 다녀왔어.
Welcome back.